Europe has undoubtedly the greatest choice of holiday destinations in the world, and most can be reached within a couple of hours. From the romance of Italy, the splendor of France, and the beautiful beaches of the Mediterranean, here's our top 10 destinations you must visit for a holiday in Europe. 1. Italy. Guided holidays to Italy. Italia has it all. Incredible landscapes, evocative history, stunning architecture, amazing weather, and fabulous food. There are so many places to uncover on a holiday in Italy, and there's something for everyone wherever you go. From beautiful Lake Garda to the rustic Tuscan countryside, to a city break in Rome, to a relaxing sunny Italian getaway on the Sorrento coast. 2. Slovenia. Guided holidays to Slovenia. Situated in the heart of Eastern Europe between the Alps and the Mediterranean Sea, Slovenia is a country of astounding natural beauty. Stunning coasts and charming towns and cities. You can take short break to Slovenia to see its most famous site, Lake Bled, located in the Julian Alps, is surrounded by spectacular mountain scenery. Slovenia's charming capital Ljubljana is easy to explore by foot. 3. Croatia. Guided holidays to Croatia. A holiday to Croatia delivers an intriguing blend of history and culture along the Adriatic coast. Croatia is one of the most beautiful countries in Europe and one of our top sun destinations. Dubrovnik boasts stunning architecture, spectacular views, beautiful weather, and fantastic food. The city has a rich history dating back to the 7th century and has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1979. The capital Zagreb is, of course, well worth a visit, but places like Opatija, Rijeka and Pula are also worth exploring. 4. Greece. Guided Greek holidays. The land where civilization began has many gems, and there's so many places to visit in Greece. In Athens, one of the world's oldest cities, it has historical sites such as the Acropolis, the Pantheon, and Delphi need to be experienced in this lifetime. The largest of the Greek islands, Crete is known for its beautiful climate, wonderful beaches, picturesque towns, and mountainous landscapes. Santorini, also known as Thera, is part of the Salades Island group and is famous for its stunning whitewash buildings with blue doors and roofs, which correlates with Greece's national flag. Many tourists visit Santorini to view the beautiful sunsets, which are considered to be the best in the world. 5. Malta. Discover Malta. Malta has a unique charm. Its colorful history and influences from Mediterranean neighbors have resulted in a magical blend of culture, cuisine, language, and landscape. The country has many historic gems such as Casa Rocca Piccola, a 16th-century Grand Palazzo, and the UNESCO-listed St. John's Cathedral in the capital of Valletta. The Gantia temples at Shagra in Gozo are the oldest freestanding structures in the world, dating back to 3600 BC. Sun worshippers will be delighted to hear that country also has a golden coastline with sandy beaches and warm, clear waters. It's perfect for those seeking a relaxing Malta holiday. 6. Montenegro. Explore Montenegro. Montenegro offers incredible landscapes, fascinating history, rich culture, and delicious cuisine. Active travelers will enjoy the water sports and fantastic hiking trails through its dramatic limestone mountains, while history buffs will love the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Kotor and the medieval streets of Budva. Sun seekers on a Montenegro holiday have everything they need, with blue flag beaches dotted with sun lounges and nearby beachside bars. 7. Cyprus. Discover Cyprus. Cyprus, the birthplace of Aphrodite, is perhaps best known for its array of stunning sandy beaches with the dramatic landscapes and crystal clear blue waters. Situated in one of the warmest zones in the Mediterranean, Cyprus experiences an average of 320 sunny days per year. It's also steeped in history, where various sites can be found around the country, such as the tombs of the kings. A UNESCO World Heritage Site of underground tombs dating back to the 4th century BC in the ancient city of Salamis. On a guided Cyprus tour you can visit Nicosia, the only divided capital city in the world. The southern part is inhabited by Greeks and the northern part is home to Turkish Cypriots. When visiting the capital it will seem like you have explored two countries instead of one. 8. Portugal. Discover Portugal for that unforgettable holiday of fascinating history, impressive towns and cities, fantastic weather and incredible beaches. The Algarve, one of Portugal's most popular destinations, has an abundance of attractive sandy beaches to choose from. Porto is one of Europe's oldest cities, located on the Douro River in northern Portugal. It was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1996. The capital Lisbon is packed full of culture and history, such as the UNESCO-listed Belém Tower and the Monument to the Discoveries. And it's a foodie's paradise. 9. France. France has an abundance of wonderful historic buildings, stunning coastlines and a captivating countryside. Cannes is the perfect choice for those interested in warm weather and beautiful beaches. Take a Seine River cruise to discover the highlights of France in a unique way, where you can visit the cities of Paris and Rouen. It's a country where charm and culture can be found wherever you go, and it's easy to see why France is the most visited country in the world. 10. Spain. From the countless beaches, cosmopolitan cities, to the stunning scenery, it's no surprise visitors take a holiday to Spain year after year. Spain is a country full of natural beauty and inspiring landscapes, such as Mount Teide in Tenerife, the third biggest volcano in the whole world, and the caves of Nerja near Malaga. Spain has over 5,000 miles of coastline and thousands of beaches. Sun worshippers are spoilt for choice. One of our top suggestions would be Costa de la Luz, located in the region of Andalusia. Near the Portuguese border, the vibrant cities of Madrid and Barcelona are world-renowned for their arts and culture scene, fantastic food, incredible museums and impressive shopping options. Seville is another remarkable Spanish city, offering visitors a rich cultural experience, from flamenco dancing to architectural heritage. We offer a fantastic range of guided holidays to Europe, and we're looking forward to uncovering more incredible destinations. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe my channel.